doing? It's Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. The next one we got is thanks to a fella named Keon. He went to Brazil and got me some noodles, which is really nice. Predilecta. I don't know how the range is named. Praja. And this is a beef. Sabor, Carne. So, let's allow ourselves to be immersed in Portuguese culture. I don't think that's exactly what's going to happen here, but we can hope at least a pinch. A pinch. How long does this go? Is this a three minute? 3 minutes. Okay, so we got our timer here. So for the first time during the show, ran out of batteries, which is really a trip. I haven't had that happen before. So that cooks for 3 minutes. So it's about Christmas time around here, as you can probably tell by the Christmas tree. Anyways, got some Christmas shopping done this weekend. It's been socked in, snowy, icy, treacherous. So all my Christmas shopping was done online. Generally, all my Christmas shopping is done online. Did anybody know if there were people that like went to Walmart at midnight or whatever and like started throwing other customers around or any of that crap this year? The Black Friday insanity. That used to be the thing. You'd get up in the morning after Thanksgiving and then you'd go like on Reddit or whatever and see all these videos on YouTube, seeing all these videos of people just acting the fool and trying to buy like a $20 DVD player and like fighting over them. Crazy business, but I haven't seen that, and I don't know. I was flipping through public freakout yesterday on Reddit, and I didn't see any public freakout relating to Black Friday. So maybe that's a thing of the past? I don't know. Can you see the clock? Yeah, the clock is in the distance. Sorry, clock. You just need juice. I really like this clock a lot. It's got big numbers on it. But then it turns red. I can't see red. No, not usually. But this one, it's supposed to be beef flavor. You got this tiny little sachet. It's red, it's shiny. I really like the sachet design. But I'm really curious what it's going to taste like. I have a feeling it's going to be a soupier one, but kind of like the last one that I did a review of or a cooking video of. So we shall see. I hope it's good. That Keon fella sent some. What was the brand name? Newgate? I think it was Newgate. And he was like, "Oh, these are going to be bad, dude. So prepare. These are going to suck." And they did. He was right. So I have no problem with sampling new stuff that's crummy. So there we go. No. There we go. Just trying to play a fast one. Don't try to pull that kind of junk on the old ramen raider. So this will either be bland or it will be salty and full of beefy flavor. I'm going to give it a... I don't know what we got here. There's not a lot of powder, which worries me as for the flavor content. It's dark. It's getting a little dark. It's a little dark in here. I don't know. I've been listening to a lot of Zeppelin lately when I go out walking. Houses of the Holy, Physical Graffiti. I really like Presence, although nobody ever talks about that album, I guess. I don't know. I don't know anybody. I don't know anything. But I really don't hear people when they talk about Led Zeppelin go off about that album. A gummy noodle. As Prue from the Great British Baking Show might say, I think it has a bit of a soggy bottom. Yeah. Those people on that show are freaking, that show's a hoot. Let's try the broth. Oh, that's interesting. That's not bad. I'm impressed. Okay. It's not bland by any stretch of the imagination. It does have a beef-esque beefitude to it. I'll go that far. It's not a beefy religious experience by any means, but it's not bad. Does it taste like Brazil? I don't know. The really only Brazilian things I've really had much of are what are those things called? The little Brazilian biscuity things that have they're made with tapioca flour. Other than that, I haven't had a whole lot. So there, our beef is at an end. We've used enough of the beef. Spring onion, that's what that is. Pepper flake, some. It's really tough because you think Brazil, you think South America, and I don't know why. It's probably just me not being educated, but I immediately go to spicy. And I guess Brazilians aren't like all about hot and spicy. In fact, they don't really prefer it. I read that somewhere. Maybe they're just really into like savory. I don't know, but don't the Portuguese have like piri peppers and stuff like that? And piri, that's spicy stuff. There's some fried onion. It's fried. So yeah. And now, it is time for Rotato on the third of 4 reviews I'm doing today. All right, that's it for me for this one. We've got one more that I'm going to review today, and I'm going to do a mukbang too. This is from Singapore. This is Nissen UFO Korean hot chicken. And my main question with this one, I'm sure it'll be rather spicy, but my main question with this one Is it going to have like a Singaporean kind of tilt to it? Is it going to be like something that's made that will resonate with Singaporeans? And I think I have a little bit of an inkling of what they might like due to I've had so many Singaporean instant noodles. So we shall see. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Rater wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.